Access to medical care. It's an issue for so many older Americans who are unfamiliar with the technology. Now, joining us to discuss how older adults are getting the care they need is Senior Medical Director with WellMed, and that's part of Optum, Dr. Preeti Patheja. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Mike. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, you're welcome. And why is access to care so important for better health outcomes?
Well, honestly, there's been a very clear correlation that for those patients that don't have access to care, they have poorer health outcomes. It's really critical that patients see their physicians in order to get early diagnosis and treatment and management of their chronic conditions.
Okay, Preeti, and what are the latest approaches available to provide that better access, and how do they work?
Well, one really nice thing, especially since the outset of COVID, is we've had really good adoption of telemedicine. And what we found, the U.S. Office of Disease Prevention has found that 46% of Americans that actually used that telemedicine option had lower utilization of ER and urgent care, which obviously results in not only better health outcomes, but it also results in lower cost of care overall. One problem that we see, however, is that older Americans oftentimes have trouble with the technology because either they don't have the equipment or they don't have the comfort level to use it.
Right, good points there. And, how does WellMed, the WellMed Tablet Connect program, work for people with chronic conditions?
It's really neat. It's really a sanitized tablet that's delivered to their doorstep. And what they do is at the time of their visit, the physician or the healthcare provider will call, and all they have to do is press a button on here to answer, and they are connected with their physician. And so we've actually already done 230,000 telemedicine visits this way. So it's really easy to use, and it's really allowed us to get access, or allowed for our older patients to get access to their physicians.
Yeah, that looks pretty easy, very user-friendly, so that's very important, as you were saying, getting that access to care. Now, what should someone do if they don't have access to the care they need?
So if they don't, I think the first thing would be to make sure that they call their healthcare provider to find out what their options are. I would also recommend that they visit wellmedconnect.com.
All right, well, thank you so much for being on our show. And of course, you can check out our website as well. Just go to firstcoastliving.net.